Hello and welcome to an IRL video. Today I'll be taking you around the city in which I live and work in, which is Lincoln within the UK, to show you around a fantastic festival that comes to the city every few years known as Frequency Festival. It is a collation of digital works from around the world that accumulate together into the city, and I want to take you around some of these pieces. Now, this video is not going to replace the planned video that I was aiming to upload today. But it will be an addition to the videos I'm trying to produce, and I hope that you like to see a bit of a snapshot of what life is like in the place that I call home. So without further ado, let's take a look around. So I'm in a cube and it's a little bit windy and I'm quite worried about getting whacked in the face, but it is really quite cold here. And I'm now going to have to sort of duck my way back out to continue this adventure.